What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, we're going to be going on a POV drive. So a couple videos ago I did a collaboration with the Topher. He showed me how he did his setup, and I'm about to put that into practice and do the same thing but in a different location. So follow me along for today's journey. So I'll be heading to the east side of Detroit today to pick up some pizza and some fried oyster mushrooms. So I'll show you all that when I get there. But we got some winding roads going there, going down south I-75. Some nice curves, take you see a little bit of a glimpse of the city of Detroit. I said I was going to do that in another video, and I'll show you different pockets of Detroit. So I'll be strapping the GoPro onto my head by way of one or two methods. Got to put my do-rag on, don't want to mess with my hair. Speaking of my hair, check out the beard. Jrue hair and body butter, beard oil. That's my beard is back. I cut it all off. All right, it's no turning back now. So that was done. I'll start from about up here. No beard. My chin's growing back, looking quite thick, glistening out here, looking good. And don't forget to get a video of one of these. So what we have here, I don't know how I'm going to do this today, so I got two methods. I got the do-rag inside the hat. Shout out to Race Car Friends for the merch. Handed me one of these when I visited them down in Florida, so I can put it on the brim of the hat. But my head is too big with my hairstyle like this, so I'm going to have to put on this GoPro onto my face somehow. Do-rag on the top of that. Don't want to mess with my hair. Very particular about my hair. So let's go and let's see what we can see on the way here. So before you leave this video, and shout out to my new subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into today's video. Construction, favorite part of Michigan. So this is getting to the east side. This is like the beginning of the east side. They built the Chevy Volts not too far away from here at one point. I'm a west sider, west side till I die. But yeah, I come on the east side from time to time. But this is just beginning to get into the east side. Like as a kid, I would come over here a lot more often, but these days I really don't. Family left, so the pizza spot is right up here and more construction. Man, see where I'm gonna park at? Right in front of the Dizzo. All right, I'll be right back. Before I put my do-rag on, shout out to Brittany at It's Food. I'm gonna put her Instagram in the description. This is amazing because I got a plant-based diet, so I'm highly restricted on what I do eat for health reasons. That's another thing. Let me get to this. I was pre-diabetic at once, changed my diet, and now I'm back to normal. So take care of your body and it will take care of you, because I don't want to be out here having to take insulin. If you do, then more power to you. Just watch what you eat, man. Health is wealth. But look at this food. This isn't even healthy. This is fried, but the stuff I eat during the week. So these are fried oyster mushrooms. And I got some vegan Parmesan sauce. This is delicious. About to get my steering wheel oily. Man, let me hurry up and get home. So glad this stuff is trendy now. Got a Hawaiian pizza. Shout out to Brittany, hooking me up on the food. Gave me a free tea. Shout out to you, because this is amazing. It slaps. So back to the video, headed home now. All right, let me head back to the house so I can eat this good food. Man, this food tastes amazing. I might be going 200 getting home. Bust this Yui real quick. Oh no, not tour mode. Passenger seat is my office in this thing, man. Back seats too, and the floor. Shout out to the Mopar over there. Liquor stores everywhere. When I show y'all Detroit, you're gonna see those everywhere. And churches, they always right across the street. Many explorers. I don't know if they be police officers or just regular people. God. Man, it go good. University, and more construction on stuff. So you got all kinds of mix-ins over here. People all the way from the left come over here and get off on the right to the Grand Boulevard. Like, it's crazy traffic area. And this is a whole different area right here. It's called Midtown. I'll go here one day. highly gentrified. A lot of cool stuff. So a lot of people have made money in Detroit. This is a different area. It's the Boston Edison area. Huge houses. These will be multi-million-dollar houses in any other state. These are huge historic homes, and a lot of them crumbled, but investors came through and redid them. And now these houses here, they're going for like $500,000 and up. Gigantic houses, man. Like, a lot of people became millionaires through the real estate of Detroit. And that's another neighborhood over there, Boston Edison still. And you will see a mixture of a lot of different things, like houses that have been totally rebuilt from the ground up. And then you'll see like houses falling apart. I think I don't know if you all can see it, but it's a tarp on the roof. Like, a lot of houses just crumble. And at that point, it gets cheaper to just rebuild than to renovate stuff like this. Look at that house. Like, I love to see it though. And like, a lot of artists come around and put their touch on things. The city would have just crumbled, man. Like, people are saving the city by doing this. And it's capitalistic, but that's the world we live in, man. Make that money. So you can either, if you can't beat them, join them. The opportunity is there. What you gonna do with it? That's the question. So this highway is called the Lodge, and it might have made, well, it definitely made national news. People, they blocked the freeway and were doing donuts. You can see the tire marks on here for a while. Like, they just blocked the highway and were doing donuts, and the video went viral. Stupid thing to do, it happened. But this is that highway, and it's in this area somewhere. You can see the tire marks for a long time. And the car just stopped in the middle of the highway. Like, you really gotta be on the lookout here, because you never know what you can run into. People, cars that don't work, whatever, man. All right, getting off on the 8 Mile exit. You might recall the movie with Eminem. It's called 8 Mile. I can do a whole video alone on this street. But yeah, 8 Mile is the division line between Detroit and the suburbs. So right at 8 Mile is where Detroit ends at. Damn. Exhaust going nuts. And stuff right there. Made it back home. Cannot wait to get to this delicious pizza. Y'all just don't know how much I love food. I said in the last video, most of the times I'm driving, I'm on my way to go get food. Like, every day, man. It's just, I'm like Beerus from Dragon Ball, man. When I get some good food, I just go nuts, man. But yeah, that's it for today's video. So I'm gonna start taking you all around certain parts of Detroit, the interesting parts, the not so interesting parts as well. I feel like it's not being represented enough, and most people only know what they see on the news, which is a bad representation, even though sometimes that stuff is the truth. But I'll just show you all around more so you can see how it is now, because I know it was getting dragged through the mud for years at a time. It was America's cesspool for quite some time, especially around 2008 when the market crashed. Automotive industry had a downturn. A lot of people left and moved elsewhere, so still recovering from that. And as you can see, like, some of those houses, that's what it's like. But I'm going to take you to certain areas and see what we can see. So let me get in here to this food. Enjoy the rest of my Sunday afternoon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. How does this lens look? This is the different lens. This might be my solo lens. How's the quality? Autofocus? It's kind of slow. Trying to see if I want to stick to my other lens or not, but how's the quality on this one? It's not as wide as the other one. But yeah, about to go in the house to eat. Shout out to Brittany at It's Food. Check her out. Her Instagram's in the description down below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I will check you all out in the next video. Peace out.